Good morning, my dear children and parents. Welcome to class 8th of Indus Valley Public School, Raj. So, my dear children, in the last video, we have studied about the poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat, composed by T.S. Eliot. In this poem, we have studied about a cat that was a male cat. According to the poet, he was a clever criminal. He had no fear of law or the police. He escaped from the scene of crime before the police arrived there, and he was of a ginger shape, a tall and thin. He was careless about his clothes and whiskers, and his movement is compared like a snake and pretend to be asleep. He was, in fact, a devil in the shape of a cat. He was wicked and morally corrupt. So this cat, termed as Macavity or the Hidden Paw, is an imaginative poem composed by the poet. He is one of the cat lover, so he composed this poem in his loving manner, but he took the negative side or the criminal side of the cat. Okay, my dear children, so this is there in the poem. So let's start with the introduction and the summary of the poem. So first, introduction. Macavity, the Mystery Cat. The poem Macavity, the Mystery Cat, composed by T.S. Eliot. It is also called the Hidden Paw, is a fictional character in T.S. Eliot's 1939 poetry called Old Possum's Book of Practical's Cat. So this poem is taken from his poetry's collection, and the name of the book was Possum's Book, and in this book he had written about the cats. So which was made into a very successful music on stage by the great composer Sir Andrew Lloyd Webber. He was a great poet. Okay, so this is what the introduction, from where the poem, the cat is taken, how the poet get inspired, from where he took. This is what given here. Now coming to the summary of the poem. Macavity is a mystery cat because no crime agency was able to arrest this criminal mastermind during or after of his committing a crime. He is too clever to leave any evidence of his guilt. He is a puzzle for everyone. He is a puzzle for detective agency in the world, including Scotland Yard and Flying Squad, who are specialized in investigating crime. Whenever they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Macavity is too clever to be caught, and he is nowhere near at the crime spot. Not only does he breaks the human law, but also breaks the law of gravity. His brows are deeply lining as a result of continuous planning of crime. Macavity has sunken eyes and his head is highly doomed. He never combs his whiskers. His movements resemble that of a snake. When you think he is sleeping, he is wide awake, in fact. Macavity is a devil cat shape. He is morally corrupt. You may meet and see him everywhere, but whenever his crime is discovered, you will not find him there. He is gone. ढूंढते रह जाओगे. This is what the Macavity. Okay. Now coming to the question answers of this poem. So first is working with the text. Fill in the blanks were given. So your blank part I have written there and highlighted it. Okay, bold it. So thing is there, a master criminal is one who can defy the law. Second one, the Scotland Yard is baffled because whenever this reaches the scene of crime, they cannot find McCavity. Nobody can catch McCavity at the scene of crime because McCavity move much faster than them. Next question. A cat, I'm sure, could walk on a cloud without coming through. Jules Verne. So this is a line taken from Jules Verne. Which law is McCavity breaking in the light of the comment above? So a person is not walking on the ground, is floating on the cloud, which means flying on the cloud. So which law is deviated here? So in the light of above comment, McCavity is breaking the law of gravity. Coming to the next question. Read stanza 3 and then describe McCavity in 2 or 3 sentences of your own. Answer. McCavity is a ginger cat who is very tall and thin, with sunken eyes and brow deeply lined with thought. While its head is highly domed, its coat is dusty and whiskers are uncombed. It sways his head from side to side and it is always wide awake even when one thinks that it is half asleep. Now children, this question you have to do by yourself is true and false. So read out the sentences and read the poem and accordingly mark it. So first question from there. McCavity is not an ordinary cat. McCavity cannot do what a fakir can do easily. McCavity has supernatural power. McCavity is well dressed, smart and bright. McCavity is a spy, trickster of a criminal, all rolled in one. Okay, so you will be doing true or false by yourself. Now next question. Having read the poem, try to guess whether the poet is fond of cats. If so, why does he call McCavity a fiend, a monster? Yes, it seems like the poet is fond of cats. He called McCavity a fiend and a monster because he might have wanted to portray an evil side. He might have used a cat in order to create a negative character who is a criminal and escapes easily from police. The quick movements of a cat and its mysterious eyes might have influenced him to create this evil character in the form of a cat. Next question. Explain his power of levitation would make a fakir stare. The fakirs are ascetic, that means who possess supernatural powers and perform miracles and levitation. Eliot says that McCavity also possesses such powers which can outdo a fakir. The way he rises up in the air and escapes in beyond a fakir's imagination. Next question. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Explain. So, my dear children, this line has been taken from the poem McCavity, the Mystery Cat, composed by T.S. Eliot. He tells us that McCavity is the name of cruelty itself. It has broken all human laws. It has broken the law of gravity also because it can fly and float in the air. So children, coming to the next question. Why are his eyes sunken? His eyes are sunken and eyebrows are deeply lined in thoughts. He is always thinking deeply to commit next crime, so his eyes are sunken. It may be because of his wickedness. Next question. What do his lined brows and his high-domed forehead shows? His lined brows and high-domed forehead shows that Macavity is always busy thinking and planning to do bad things. His forehead and brows has become tense due to his wickedness. Next question. Why is the coat dusty and his whiskers uncombed? Macavity is a monster and always busy in committing crimes and run away unseen from the spot. So it has never thought of cleaning his fur coat and whiskers. It has no time to think about himself except doing evil things or evil deeds. So these are dirty and uncleaned. Next question, my dear children. What gifts does Macavity have that will make even a fakir stare in wonder? He has the power to rise or float in the air. It makes even a magician stare at its flying in the air. Next question. Can Macavity be ever accused of having committed a crime? Why not? Macavity can never be accused of having committed a crime because he cannot be found at the place of crime. He is so clever and active to disappear from there. So that's all, my dear children. Write the question answers. Do forward me. Any doubt? Most welcome to ask me at any time. Okay, children. Enjoy the poem. Write down the summary question answers and forward me for the correction. So my dear children, bye-bye and take care. Thank you so much.